Prompt engineering is the process of crafting high-quality prompts to interact with a language model. The goal of prompt engineering is to provide the language model with the necessary context and information to generate relevant and coherent text in response to the given prompt. The process of prompt engineering involves carefully considering the language structure and content of the prompt in order to guide the language model towards the desired outcome. This means providing specific instructions, asking targeted questions, or providing additional context to generate text that is tailored to the task at hand. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular as a way to automate customer service, streamline business processes, and provide personalized experiences. But to get the most of your chatbot, you need to start with a clear objective. When crafting a prompt for your chatbot, there are several things to keep in mind. First, start with a clear objective. Decide what you want your chatbot to accomplish, whether it's providing information, directing the conversation, or addressing an issue. Next, provide context. Large language models perform best when they have enough context to understand the task or topic at hand. Include things like previous message in a chat, links to articles or resources, or a summary of the topic you want to discuss. Use natural language. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, so try to phrase your prompts in a way that feels conversational. Avoid using technical language or jargon that the model may not be familiar with. Experiment with different styles. ChatGPT can generate text in a wide variety of styles, so try different approaches to see how the model responds. You may find that certain styles work better for certain tasks or topics. Finally, avoid open-ended questions. Don't post questions with ambiguous or open-ended answer. This may cause the chatbot to respond in a way that is irrelevant or unclear. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to craft effective prompts that get the most out of your chatbot.